Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 4th of February 2014. You're watching Bitstamp and multiple time frames. Yesterday's market, a small correction. We spoke about this situation yesterday. You're watching the daily chart. There was two hypotheses that it could happen at that point. The first one was because over the extended trend will continue. We might continue in order to push the price towards 834 and try to bring flow into or free space for the price towards this particular minor resistance, which is located at 909 with 96. It didn't happen. The opposite hypothesis was the possibility that it was a retracement that will try to generate a new higher low. But this potential higher low that is happening right now, that it might seem like could happen, and a buying pattern will show up. This pattern might fail in order to bring the price down once again to 770. Why not? Possibly. And because of the overextended trend, this higher low fails, and then a new higher low will come along. It might take a little bit of time, but it's possible, and it's the situation that we see so far. And the price seems to being more is trying to resist the fact that buyers trying to push the price once again up, but it seems like sellers have full control of the situation. And as you can see, this is the 12-hour chart. Once again, retracement now is overextended a little bit, and also is not as the retracement or the correction is not as deep as the previous uptrend, which is a very positive thing. And we just need to make sure that if this goes up once again, we manage to reach 812.98. If that happens, we might consider a new potential higher low in the 12-hour chart. And the last one at this point that we have to consider at the moment, based on what the signs and the messages from the top major time frames, is the 240-minute chart. Look at what's happening right now. Price is below the SMA 200. We don't see too much situations where the buyers are trying to have full control of the situation. We see right now a B formation, kind of like a sideways trend at this point, with potential situations where the sellers will still take full control, and they will try to reach this particular pivot, which is a higher low, and the area in question is 791 to be exact. This could be the area for to visit by the sellers at this point. We might keep an eye on it, because at that point, that level is a level of reaction that sellers and buyers might have an encounter, and some kind of volatility will come along, but we'll find out anytime. And last but not least, this is 60-minute chart. Now price is over the SMA 200. We still see sideways trend, not too much direction. We don't see at the moment where the situation is leading or where the price is leading at this point, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. And last but not least, this is MGOX. And as you all know, the margins in price are very different. All we can see right now is the same correction that it happens yesterday with Bitstamp. This is the daily chart. It's actually happening in the same level with MGOX. Not much clarity at the moment where the price is leading, but certainly the 12-hour chart is showing us that price is still trying to reach the bottom support at this point, and the support is basically at 913. 903.40 to be more exact. And if this is if the price managed to break this particular support, the next target for this downtrend could be 867.43. That's the situation with the 12-hour chart. And here is 240-minute chart and 60-minute chart. Price below the SMA 200, and they still got room to correct a little bit more. We're gonna keep an eye on it, and point of reaction will be definitely this area, which is right now 910 with 11. Keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.